Good morning. Today we are going to see session 13 that is going to deal with the importance of goal settings. Session 14 that is going to see with the importance of goal settings, and the recap we had seen about the importance of goal settings. So in session 14 we are going to learn the periodicity in goal setting. So the goals can be set in three different time: short term goals, medium term goals and long term goals. So short term goal is something you want to do in the near future. The near future can mean today, this week, this month or even this year. So it is something that you want to accomplish very soon. So why you should focus on short term goals? Because they are more relatable, and it will give up these types of goals will set up positive reinforcing patterns, and short term goals will lead to action. So these intermediate or medium term goals are goals which can be achieved in a time frame of 1 to 3 years at more stable 1 to 3 years at more stable companies, 6 to 2 years for new, and fast growth companies 3 to 5 years, and for the rest of the companies. So planning is very essential because most of them need to be broken into short term. It should be frequently reviewed to keep in track. For example, intermediate goals includes quarterly or annual revenue growth target and profitability or net income improvements. So personal related objectives like employee hiring and training targets or strengthening the executive management team. Intermediate goals also include market expansion and cost reduction objectives. Then we have long term goals. So a long term goal is something you want to achieve further in the future. So long term goals require time and planning. They are not something you can do this week or even this year. Sometimes long term goal becomes more like a vision. So examples of goals that will take several years is wealth maximization, business expansion, save for retirement, have my own business. Then there are certain tips for setting the long term goals. Work backwards. Think about what you want to achieve, then plan steps going back to what you can do right now. Create a picture of where you want to be in life 10 years from now. Think about what you need to do in 5 years, in 1 year and in 6 months to get to your long term goal. Write down what you need to do each month to achieve your goals. After each monthly goal is achieved, look at your goals and adjust them as needed. With this, we are closing with periodicity of goal setting. For further reference, you have multiple choice question and answer and the reference book from which these information was drawn. Thank you.